Master the modal verbs in passive voice. Hello there, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into the realm of English grammar and explore a very interesting topic: modal verbs in passive voice. This might sound a bit tricky, but don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step, making it easy and fun to understand. Let's dive right in. Firstly, let's understand what we mean by modal verbs in passive voice. In English, modal verbs express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. Some common examples of modal verbs include can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, must. When we combine these modal verbs with the passive voice, it allows us to shift the focus of the sentence from the doer to the receiver of the action. Here's an example. Active voice with modal verb. The teacher can mark the tests. Passive voice with modal verb. The tests can be marked by the teacher. Notice how in the passive sentence, the focus is on the tests, the receiver of the action, rather than the teacher, the doer of the action. To construct a sentence with modal verbs in passive voice, the general structure is subject plus modal verb plus be plus past participle. Here are a few more examples. The report must be submitted by Monday. Not, you must submit the report by Monday. The door should not be left open. Not, you should not leave the door open. The rules might be changed next year. Not, they might change the rules next year. Remember, the passive voice with modal verbs is particularly useful when the doer of the action is unknown, unimportant, or obvious from the context. Now that you understand the concept, it's time for some practice. Let's transform the following active sentences into passive voice. 1. John can finish the project. 2. They might visit the museum. 3. We should clean the classroom. 4. The gardener must water the plants. 5. I will call the police. Here are the solutions. 1. The project can be finished by John. 2. The museum might be visited by them. 3. The classroom should be cleaned by us. 4. The plants must be watered by the gardener. 5. The police will be called by me. Practice makes perfect, so don't forget to make your own sentences using modal verbs in passive voice. And that's a wrap on modal verbs in passive voice. We hope this has been enlightening and you're now more confident in using this important aspect of English grammar. Remember, practice is key. Try creating more sentences using modal verbs in passive voice, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. Keep learning, keep improving, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy studying!